Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Today we're going to continue with the second video for beginners on how to knit. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the knit stitch. When you knit every stitch and every row, you get the garter stitch. This stitch here is reversible, perfect for making your first knit baby blanket. So let's get started and thank you for watching. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to cast on our stitches. In my first tutorial on how to knit, I showed you how to cast on using a crochet hook. I will leave the link up here to that tutorial. Make sure that when you're casting your stitches, they're nice and loose, just like mine are. Okay, and the next thing is how to hold your yarn and the needle with the left hand. Okay, so all you have to do is do this and hold. The yarn needs to go over your index finger. Okay, again, just like this, and hold. Okay, so once we have this part done, we have our first loop. To make the knit stitch, your yarn has to be in the back. So insert your needle, your right needle, through this front loop towards the front, and it forms an X. Now wrap your yarn over this needle, hold it, and bring it through that loop or that first stitch, and then remove the first stitch. Again, insert your needle through one side like this, come out the other, wrap the yarn, hold it, and pass it through the loop and remove the stitch. Again, insert, wrap it, hold it, pull it through that loop and remove. Insert, wrap it, hold it, pull it through and remove. Insert, wrap it, hold it, pull it through. Insert, wrap it, hold it, pull it through. I'm having you hold it as a beginner so that you can hold it and not lose your loop when you come through that loop. Okay, so again, insert, wrap it, hold it, pull it through, and remove. Insert, wrap it, hold it, pull it through, and remove. And then the last stitch, we do the same thing. Insert, wrap it, hold it, pull it through. And here's our first row. And then again, and now for the second row, same thing. Hold your yarn, insert your needle, wrap it, hold it, pull it back and then under, and then remove. Insert, hold it, pull it back, and remove. Just like this. Okay, and when you come to the last stitch, same thing. Okay, and here's our second row. Now for the third row, same thing. Again, insert through this front side, wrap, hold, pull it through. Once you get the hang of doing this, it's going to get faster by just inserting, wrapping, and pulling through. The best way to do it is insert, open your stitch, and grab the yarn. Open, grab, open, and do this. Open the stitch and pull. Open the stitch and pull. Same thing for the last stitch. Okay, let me show you that really quick again. Okay, for the first stitch you may have to hold it. Okay. But for the next ones, just open and pull through. Open and pull through. Open and pull through. Open and pull through. And knit the last stitch. Okay, and that's all there is to making the knit stitch. And if you notice, you're starting to see the garter stitch. When you knit every stitch, this is what you see, the garter stitch. Okay, so now let's turn again. And on the edge, you can see that we have these little bumps. If you don't want to see these little bumps and instead you want to have like this little braid, this is how you do it. With the yarn in front, insert your needle this way, not this way. This way, and slip that first stitch. And now the yarn needs to go to the back, and then you just knit in the same way that we have been knitting. The last stitch, this one here, we're not going to knit like this. We're going to instead insert the needle through the middle and knit it through the back loop like this. Okay, so just insert it through the middle and knit through the back loop. Okay, so let me show you again. Okay, with the yarn in front, insert your needle and slip the first stitch and put your yarn in the back and knit all your stitches until you come to the last one. Okay, the last one, insert it through the middle and knit. And that's how you knit the knit stitch. Or in this case, we have the garter stitch. When you knit all rows, and this is the edge. When you don't do anything different, you just knit the first and knit the last. And this is what it looks like when you slip the first one with the yarn in front and knit the last one through the middle. And this is what it looks like when you have more rows. That's the edge of where we don't do anything to the first and last stitch. And this one here is where we slipped the first one and knit the last one through the middle. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.